Hello, my name is Munajwa Amalia binti Asmizan. My metric number is B062110028. Introduction of RC Cola. RC. The owner of RC Cola is Alfredo Emilio from Royal Crown Cola International. RC Cola was originally launched in the United States of America in 1955 in Columbus. The cola flavor RC was the first company that marketed Diet Cola, root beer, grape juice, orange juice, and others. The best-selling product was Carol Cola. Next, this is the history of RC Cola. 95, Cloud AHS create Royal Crown Ginger Ale in Columbus, USA. 97, Carol Cola Cherry Flavor Cola is introduced. 1924, introduction of new fruit flavor, beverage Nehi. 1928, business chain name to Nehi. 1933, founder Cloud AHS start. 1940, Best Buy Taste public campaign with Hollywood celebrity. 1951, Nehi becomes Royal Crown Cola Company. 2002, launch of Royal Crown Premium Mix to pair perfectly with your favorite spirit. 2015, introduction of RC Neo made with natural flavor. 2017, introduction of Royal Crown Vintage Cola.
Hi everyone, I'm Lee Jia-kun. Entry number B062110317. What I am going to talk about is the objective of our group assignment. There are consist of three main objectives in our group assignment, which are carry out research and background of RC Cola. Second is factors that control business and organization management in improving firm performance. And last is one management tool and methods encompassing planning, leading, organizing, and control functions. Next, I will proceed to rules and governing factors in firm performance. The organization of Royal Crown Cola, RC Cola, has definitely taken measures in order to ensure the firm's performance. This involves several important figures and departments to achieve a targeted performance required, along with the reason on why firm's performance is important to RC Cola. In a way, the term corporate governance can be used in this context too, in a broad sense, to describe all the policy, procedures, relationships, and systems in place and performance of the board of directors specifically. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vinita, and now we're going to look at who are engaged and responsible in the roles and governing factor to boost RC Cola's performance. So I have brought these three vital roles in my opinion, which I find it's important. First, we're going to start with the board of directors, and the board of directors is very much known like the top management. They are very dedicated on achieving RC goals and objectives, also able to distribute tasks and roles to boost the company performance. This sort of spirit has actually seen ever since 1905 from Claude A. Hatcher, the founder himself, and this kind of spirit is still found in their top management. Next, we're going to look at the marketing department also. They have been playing a very proactive role in advertising. So this department has been also reaching new market segments with their product. For example, in Philippines, how they have actually used advertising as a way to increase their sales performance, and it actually happened. That is by very good advertisements that sort of went viral. Next, we're going to look at the research and development department. This department has a strong sense of innovation to boost company performance. There's also to increase the quality of product and match the consumer needs. You can actually find this their motive in the RC Cola's blog themselves. They have mentioned on how they are always bringing out new product and formulating new way of code, like their latest product, RC Cola Neo. Next, we're going to look at why does it happen? Why is there a roles and governing factors? Why is it a need to boost the company's performance? So for the reason why, there are actually three reasons I've brought down. First is to achieve organizational goals and objectives set. They have been always looking ways to strive forward, and they do hold a strong sense of spirit and vision. Next is to fulfill customer needs and to establish a better stability market. That is by opening new ways of collaboration for other people and even other companies. And finally is to obtain strong brand recognition. This is because they do know that Coke market is very competitive, so they actually toughen up their strategies and continue to seek establishment till this very day.
Hello, my name is Ejza Mazura Betty Ahmad Zainuddin, and my metric number is B062110136. I would like to explain about where does it happen and how company identify the solution. Where does it happen? RC Cola has been a soft drink that represents uniqueness and entrepreneurial spirit since its inception in 1905. The clear taste of RC Cola sets it apart from other colas, and it has become a favorite among cola consumers across the America. A beloved American icon for 114 years, RC Cola has always associated with innovation since its introduction in 1905. Clark A. Hatcher, a young pharmacist from Columbus, Georgia, decided to provide his family's grocery shop with drinks that he made and bottled. Hatcher's initial beverage line was dubbed Royal Crown, and his first cola product was dubbed Creo Cola. Royal Crown Ginger Ale, Royal Crown Strawberry, and Royal Crown Root Beer were among the company's early offerings. Also today, RC Cola International has a wide variety of award-winning brands sold to millions of fans in over 67 countries. How company identified the solution? Following Hatcher's death in 1933, Vice President H.R. Mott took charge of the company and successfully streamlined operation, allowing it to become debt-free within a year. The reformulation of the classic Creo Cola into a more refreshing beverage was part of Mott's plan. Rufus Gump, a chemist, was tasked with developing the new flavor, which took 6 months to perfect. Hatcher's original line of beverage was renamed Royal Crown, and the new cola was released to the public. The Royal Crown Cola became an instant hit. RC Cola, as it is now known, was such a success that it was renamed Royal Crown Cola Company. Advertisements were placed in magazines like the Saturday Evening Post and Good Housekeeping, and billboards around the country carried endorsements from celebrities like John Crawford, Bob Hope, and Bing Crosby. As RC grew, it remained true to its independent nature by releasing innovation after innovation. The company was the first to offer soft drinks in cans across the country in 1954. The 60 Hunch Butter was released 4 years later. RC created the first Diet Cola, the first caffeine-free Diet Cola, and the first Diet Cherry Cola. The all-aluminum beverage can and Royal Crown Draft Cola, a premier cola manufactured with 100% sugarcane, are two other RC innovations.
Hi, my name is Chin Wei Jian. My title about this video is Discussion. Planning is established objective and goals for the organization, and translate those strategy and goals into the action plans. The strategic planning have 6 processes, which is define mission, vision, and values. Perform SWOT analysis, develop forecast, analyze the completion, establish goals and objectives, and develop the action plan. Let us discuss the SWOT analysis of RC Cola. The strength is history linked with RC Cola. This is one of the brand's strengths. RC Cola was first cola in United States and established about 100 years. Then, the taste is vastly different from another brands such as Pepsi and Coca-Cola. The weakness is low-cost advertisement was spent by RC Cola. RC Cola advertising spend account a relative cheap compared with the Pepsi and Coca-Cola. RC Cola also have the lack competency and promotional activity is lacking because RC Cola is also only interested in promoting the product with the television advertisement. Opportunity RC Cola is growing desire to eat out and the rise of the fast food culture, because change in the client preference have a result in a growing demand for fast food and eating out. This result in increase in soft drink and juice sales. Another opportunity RC Cola is per capita income is increased. 3 of RC Cola is have strong and well-established competitors like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Another 3 is healthier option because of the fresh juice, ice drink, and milkshake are now assembled. So soft drink business market share being enrolled by emergence of the brands. My friend will continue the next slide.
Thank you, my friend. I'll continue the slide with the organizing. My name is Louis Meng Han, and my matrix number is B0621101003. Organizing is a process of arranging resources to carry out an organization plan. The management in typical company hierarchy is divided by 3 levels, which is the top manager, middle manager, and first line manager. The top manager of the RC Cola will give the instruction to the controller, director, or manager, which is the middle manager in the company RC Cola. Next, the minor manager also gives the instruction to the first line manager. The CEO, handling director, distribute handling director, and head of factory are accountable for attending company objective and managing the day-to-day operation. The next is leading. Leading is the process of influencing and motivating people to work well and effectively toward common goal. Leadership style for RC company is democratic leadership style. Democratic leadership is the leader who delegates authority and involves employees in decision making. H.R. Moore immediately after taking over his decision poor performing products and focused on the company effort on top sales. He reintroduced Creo Cola without the cherry flavor and a new name. RC Cola began secret developing it on diet soft drink. Well, other vehicle company continue to the thin, sweet, salty, and delicious. RC Cola already recognized a building demand for healthy choice. The next is controlling. Controlling is the process of measuring progresses against goal and objective, correcting deviation if results are not as expected. The compositions of sugar sweetening bottled soft drinks suddenly sold from less than 5 cents per pound to more than 30 cents per pound. Carl Herschel went to Auckland to buy sugar making equipment. At the same time, he hired a senior EE veteran come to Columbus to research the way change the raw sugar to reduce costs. That's all. Thank you.
In conclusion, we have 5 points. In the first point, RC Cola have immediate progress and successfully target achieved. And second point, in terms of first-line managers or employees' contribution toward the performance of RC Cola. One of its department has been playing their role proactively, and that is the marketing department of RC Cola. In the third point, RC Cola to boost their company's performance in various aspects, such as marketing standing, sale, or any external performance in order to achieve their organization goal or objective set. In RC Cola, the motivation among employees to achieve this objective can be considered high, as they are always looking ways to strive forward. Third point, RC Cola has been a soft drink that embodies individuality and entrepreneurial spirit. RC Cola has become a favorite of cola drinkers throughout America. Last point, RC Cola International has a wide variety of award-winning brands sold to millions of fans in over 67 countries such as Philippines, United States, and India.